welcome to Cheryl's Tomsy Tummy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching my video. Today I am going to make Parwal Bhujiya. I hope you all will like it. Friends, the oil, mustard oil I put to make the Parwal Bhujiya. This is the Panch Foran. This I'll put. This is the red dry chili. So also I put. Now I will put in the parwal. Friends, this is the parwal which I have put in. I am using potatoes also in it. Now I will put the salt. I will put some turmeric powder. Mix it well. Friends, now I will cover this and let the fry cook. Friends, now I will let this fry. Now I will keep it open and let the fry properly. The parwal fry properly. Friends, you can see the parwal bhujiya is frying. Now this has to fry more. Friends, it's turning brown. You can see the parwal bhujiya. I will let it turn more brown. Friends, my karara parwal ka bhujiya is ready. You can see it's turned brown. It will be lovely to eat with roti, paratha. I hope you all will like this video. Friends, now I will take this out in one bowl. Friends, see, I am taking this out. Thanks for watching my video.